Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change number in Wise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wise account from your home screen. So once you tap on your Wise app, your Wise account will be opened, and all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the left hand side. So once you do this, you will end up in this page, so simply tap on the details section. However, due to the privacy reasons, you have the black screen on screen. Though all you need to do here is simply tap on the number section and tap on change the primary number. So once you tap on it and change your primary number, your number in Wise will be completely changed, and you can do so to change number as frequently as you want. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.